Welcome to the latest episode of Man Overboard 50, Ain't Nothing But a Number Yo, with your host, Language Barrel. To continue along in the recent series of videos that I've conducted, this is about my recent trip to Mexico City, traveling solely with a backpack. Now, this is an Antolin bag that I purchased from Amazon prior to the trip. And I purchased it because it has the capability to act not only as a backpack, but as a suitcase. When you unzip the main compartment, it folds open like a small luggage container. Inside of the bag, they also have the security straps to hold your stuff in place. And on the side, the left side, you'll see another pocket which can hold some miscellaneous items in the bag. Now, when you close the bag and flip it back to the front, there's also another compartment in the front of the bag, which is where I normally store my iPad. It has a sleeve or compartment for laptops, and it also has a security strap which folds down over the pocket to keep the item from moving around. Now, when you close the bag again and go back to the front, there's also a small pocket which extends probably 2/3 of the way down the front of the bag, which you can also use for some important papers or passports, some items that you have to gather quickly, but you also want to remain secure. Now, when we flip the bag over to the back side and we look at the shoulder straps, obviously there are two shoulder straps, but there's also a compartment that when you disconnect or unclip the shoulder straps, you can actually stuff those into the back of the backpack and carry the backpack the way you typically would just by the use of the handles. Now, the length of this pocket runs from the top of the backpack all the way to the bottom, so it's actually fairly deep. And you can also store some documents in here that you want access to, but you want to make sure that stay close to your person where nobody else can access them. Again, you can handle it. It's a very sturdy handle, so you can also carry it by the handle. In the picture, you see me really just unclip. There are two clips that hold the shoulder straps in place, and once you unclip those, then you would just tuck those inside of the very large pocket in the back that is equipped for storing the shoulder straps or backpack straps. Now, you also notice along the center of the bag in the rear, there's a very strong elastic black band, and that band is used to slip over the handles of wheelie bags or any type of bag that has a handle. You can just slip the handle between that strap and the bag, and then you can just pull the bag along on top of a wheelie bag or on top of any form of luggage. So again, this is the Antolin bag I purchased from Amazon. That was the front. This is the back side. You can see the back strap across it. These are the 16 outfits that I was able to pack in there. By changing the shirts and the pants, you can actually get 16 different outfits out of that. These are my pants. I folded them Ranger style. Below are my t-shirts, folded also Ranger style. Again, washcloths and sanitary cloths for travel to Mexico. This is my outfit for the airplane ride, dressed in layers. Again, these are another combination of the outfits that you can use during the trip. The bottom row is my polo shirts, which is also folded Ranger style. These are all the items that I was able to fit into my backpack. Here's a picture of the backpack with my socks and shoes and all the items folded inside. These are, again, my pants, folded Ranger style, my outfit for the airplane, along with my walking boots. As I mentioned before, this was my first trip traveling solely with a backpack, and I found it very easy to travel. I traveled or flew via Avianca. Now, they charge for, I think, $75 for a carry-on and $102 for a check-in or something like that. But I was able to take my backpack, put it underneath my seat or in the overhead bin with no extra charge. I was able to go straight to the gate with my online ticket. I didn't have to check in at the desk or check any bags. So I'm probably thinking going forward, I'm going to do my best to travel strictly with the backpack. Even with the clothes I packed inside of my backpack, I found at the end that there was probably one or two outfits that I didn't even use. So I probably could have left one pair of pants home and probably a shirt or two home and would have still had adequate clothes for my 14-day trip.
And remember, achieve something different, believe something different, conceive something different, read something different, but most importantly, be something different. The world is waiting. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Ciao for now.